Ever pondered the truth behind the age-old adage, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Well, it turns out, this simple fruit is packed with a wealth of health benefits. But what exactly happens when we consume an apple? Let's embark on a fascinating journey from the first bite to the final stage of digestion. Imagine biting into a juicy apple. As you chew, the physical breakdown of the apple commences. Your teeth grind it into smaller pieces, and enzymes in your saliva called amylase start to break down the carbohydrates. This chewed apple, now called a bolus, then travels down your esophagus and into your stomach. Inside the stomach, the apple's journey continues. Here, it encounters a potent mix of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. These substances further break down the apple, transforming it into a semi-liquid substance known as chyme. The chyme is then gradually released into the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens. The walls of the small intestine absorb the apple's nutrients, such as dietary fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, providing your body with vital nourishment. The leftover parts of the apple, mostly the insoluble fiber, pass into the large intestine or colon. Here, the fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial gut bacteria, promoting good digestive health, and keeping bowel movements regular. Finally, the remaining undigested material is expelled from the body. So, what's the takeaway from this intricate journey of an apple through our body? Firstly, apples are a significant source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management. Secondly, they're rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts the immune system. Thirdly, the potassium in apples helps maintain a healthy heart rhythm and blood pressure. Moreover, the prebiotic effects of apple's fiber help nourish the good bacteria in the gut, enhancing digestive health. And let's not forget the hydration benefits, since apples are approximately 85% water. In essence, the humble apple, with its wealth of nutrients, truly does deserve its reputation as a health-promoting powerhouse. So the next time you bite into this crunchy and juicy fruit, appreciate the complex journey it undertakes within your body and the multitude of health benefits it brings along. Remember, an apple a day might just keep the doctor away after all.